Hello students, today we are in the previous class we discussed question number 4 till question number 4 of exercise 4.1. Now today we are going to solve question number 5 to question number 10. Okay, as question number 5 is saying that which of the following are cube of question number 5. Okay, which of the following are the cube of odd number? Okay, so as you know that one, the unit place of cube of any odd number will be odd. So look here, the first one is 512. 2 is a even number, so there is no chance. And the next one is 1331. So this is the cube of 11 and its unit place is 1 or odd, so it may be. And the next one is 9621, so it also may be the cube of any odd number. And the last one is 8000, so there is no chance that 8000 is the cube of any odd number. So in between these two, so 1331 and 9621, there will be any number which are the cube of any odd number. So as you know that one, 1331 is the cube of 13. So the answer is B. The answer is B, which is 1331. So no need to check for the next one. This is the correct answer. Okay, next question is which of the following are the cube of even number? As you know that one, the cube of even number will be even. So first one is 1728, next one is 2744, the third one is 12,167 and next one is 6,859. So there is no chance for question number option C and D. So let's see about question number option 2 A and B. So you can check that one by using the prime factorization method. So first of all we are going to check that one by using the prime factorization. As 1728 is given, so we have to get the prime factorization of 1728. 2 8 ja 16, so it become 12. 2 6 ja 12 and 4 again by 2. 2 4 ja 8. 2 3 ja 6. 2 2 ja 4 again by 2. 2 2 ja 4. 2 1 ja 2. 2 6 ja 12 again by 2. 2 1 ja 2 0. 2 8 ja 16 again by 2. 2 5 ja 10. 2 4 ja 8 again by 2. 2 2 ja 4 and 2 7 ja 14. Next one is by 3. 3 9 ja 27. Then 3 3 ja 9. Then what we'll get? This is the 2 and next one also. So we can find that one 1 7 2 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So look here, it makes 1, 2 and 3 triplets. It makes 3 triplet. So 1728 is what the term is given? cube of is cube of even number. Okay. Next question is question number 8. What is the smallest number by which we can divide the following number to make the perfect cube? Okay. To solve question number 8, question number 7. Question number 7. Look here. What is the smallest number by which each of the following numbers should be multiplied to make them perfect cube? So we have take question number C. So we have to write, we have to get the prime factorization of, the number is given 10584. Okay. So let's start the prime factorization of 10,584. Like this. 2 5 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4, 2 9 ja 18, 2 2 ja 4. Again by 2, its a unit place is 2, so it's a divisible by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8, and 2 6 ja 12. Its unit place is 2, so it is also divisible by 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, and 2 3 ja 6. Look here, 3 3 6 7 8 and 9. The sum of this number is 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so this number is also divisible by 3. So check from 3. 3 4 ja 12. Again 1 remain here, so 1 and 2 become 12. 3 4 ja 12, and the next one is 3 1 ja 3. So 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9. So this 9 is also divisible by 3. So this complete number 441 is also divisible by 3. So 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 4 1 ja 4. So what's remain? It become 14. 3 4 ja 12, and rest of 2 remain from here. So 2 and 1 become 21. 3 7 ja 21. Okay. Look here, 7 plus 1 8 plus 2 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So this whole number is also divisible by 3. So 3 4 ja 12 and 3 9 ja 27. 49 came here. So we know that one. 7 7 ja 49 and 7 1 ja 7. So what we get that one? Prime factors of 10,584 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Okay, no need to write 1, so this was only. So what we find, that 3 in term of triplet, 7 is also term of triplet, 3 is also term in triplet, but 7 is not in term of triplet. So what there are written? Question number 7. What is the smallest number by which each of the following numbers should be multiplied to make them perfect cube? So if we multiply this number by 7, so we get, so the prime factors is also going to be multiplied by 7. So you can write like this. There are 7 is multiplies twice. So to make it triplet, we have to multiply we have to multiply 10584 by 7 to make the number in perfect cube. Okay. Similarly, look question number 8. What is the smallest number by which we divide the following number to make them perfect cube? So we have to take question number 8b. 5, 6, 3, 2. So first of all we have to find, we can write that one, prime factor, or you can write the prime factor of, or you can write like this. Same term we are going to follow as we have written. We have to get the prime factorization of, we have to get prime factorization of 5632. 5, 6, 3, 2. So it's a even number, so it will be divisible by 2. So 5 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16, 2 1 ja 2, and 2 6 ja 12. Again by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 0, 2 8 ja 16. Again by 2, 2 7 ja 14, 0, and 2 4 ja 8. Again by 2, 2 2 ja 2 3 ja 6, 2 5 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4. Again by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14, 2 6 ja 12. Again by 2, this is 2 8 ja 16, and 2 8 ja 16. Again by 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8. Again by 2, this will become 22. Again by 2, this is 1 and 1. What's remain here? 11. So we can write like this. Prime factors of 5632 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times 2. So 2 into 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 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times 2, and finally 11. Okay, so look here, this is 2, this 2 and these 2 are in form of triplet. So what they are given? So question number 8 is given, the smallest number which must be divide the following number to make them perfect square. So if we divide this number by 11, so it become the perfect square. So finally you can write like this. So 5, 6, 3, 2 be divide by 11, then it be perfect cube. Okay, the next question is same like next question is find the smallest number by which 5184 should be multiplied so that the product is perfect cube. Also find the number whose cube is perfect so obtained. Look here, question number same as question number given, the number is going to be multiplied. Look here, question number same like question number 7. In question number 9 there is one difference, is we have to find the cube of, find the number whose cube is the product so obtained also. Okay, in that case is first of all look here, find the smallest number by which 5184 should be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. Also find the number whose cube is the product so obtained. So what we have to do in that case is we have to find the prime factor of 5184. After doing this type of prime factorization, okay, doing the prime factorization, we get that the prime factors of 5184 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. It means 2 is form of triplet, this 2 is also form of triplet, this is the form of triplet. There are 3 set of 3 2's, here is also set of 3 2's, here is set of 3 3's, and these 3 remain alone. Okay, it not makes triplet. So what is the conclusion is, so to make the triplet of the last or alone 3, we have to multiply it by 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Okay, so the multiplied number is 9. So 9 into the number 5184 into 9 become 46,456. Okay, so we can write like this, we have to find the cube root of this number. So the number is this one, so their prime factorization of the number is 3 times this 2, and this one is this is the triplet of 2, this one also triplet of 2, this one is triplet of 3, and last one is also triplet of 3. So we'll get the 3 raised to the power 2, 3 raised to the power 2, 3 raised to the power 3, and 3 raised to the power 3. If we remove this sign of root, then what remain? 2, 2, 3 and 3, means 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So what we'll get after multiplying this number? 36. So 36 is the number whose cube is the product so obtained. Okay. Similarly, in question number 10, we have to divide the number, means the number which are not we get in the form of triplet. So by that number, if we divide 88,209, we will get the number which are perfect cube. Okay. So I hope you can solve question number 10.